long. Give them one more year. We got to get rid of those. Happy birthday, Big Jason Columbus.
All right, and we've got Kelsey Pickle turning 8 years old this year, pretty in her yellow dress there in Knoll, Missouri, with lots of love coming from the entire family.
Give Kelsey credit because you can tell Mom made her go outside to take a picture in her snow event.
Yeah.
And she's in short sleeves. I love that, Kelsey. Good for you. Hayden Long, now double digits. Miss Hayden celebrating a 10th birthday. Hayden, I want you to have a marvelous birthday, kiddo.
All right, Asher Hayslip turning 11 years old.
I think they go Haslip.
Haslip?
Yeah.
Happy birthday to Asher.
I mean, somewhere along the line, Asher and somewhere, I mean, if we were to go back far enough, yeah. Asher, happy birthday, my man. Jessie Dietz celebrating her 17th. My goodness, Jessie, how did you get to be 17? Now, she had her birthday over the weekend. We're going to continue to carry it on as Miss Jessie celebrates in Columbus.
And in Joplin, Faith Cates turning 27 years old this year. I hope it's a great one for you, Faith.
Dalton Schoonover, a big 3-0. And that gentleman that you see in Dalton's arms right there, that's his son, Bodie. Dalton's down in Bella Vista. A very happy birthday with these wishes, Dalton, coming with love from Mom.
All right. And Natasha Dillon turning 44 years old this year. Great Christmas picture there with Natasha in Independence, Kansas.
In Jasper, we have a 66th birthday for Larry Harris. Larry, I want you to enjoy your birthday week, sir.
In Girard, Judy Reynolds turning another year wiser. Hope it's a great one for you, Judy.
It's like a mini photo bomb.
Yeah.
The kiddo is happy about that.
Keeping her hands full there.
Carla McGee Howerton celebrating a birthday in Carthage. Wonderful picture there, Carla, and a happy birthday.
And Paul Yeager in Columbus. Special happy birthday wish going out to you.
All right, it's actually not Risa Harvell's birthday.
It's tomorrow.
No, it's not.
No?
It was 2 years ago.
Oh.
And it'll happen again in 2 years.
Yeah. Hey,
I
I'd
know.
take advantage of that.
So I don't know what we'll do about Risa. Risa, maybe we'll put you on the list again tomorrow. If you haven't figured it out by now, Risa is a leap year baby. So that's why we had a birthday 2 years ago. We'll have one here in another 2 years. But Risa, you know we love you and a very happy birthday in Miami.
Right, we got Blondie Cox in Petrolia, Kansas, celebrating a birthday today. And Tim Smith in St. Paul, happy birthday to you.
Okay, this is a very special one here at the bottom because this is a member of our family. Jim and his wife, Merville Stafford, are celebrating 70 years of marriage, and it's an amazing story. Number one, Jim, you know I love you. You know everybody out here loves you as well. And congratulations, Merville, for putting up with Jim for 70 years. That in and of itself is an accomplishment. But 1 month after they got married, Jim joined the United States Marine Corps. He's one of our engineers here and just a marvelous man and a wealth of information. I'm so happy to see him on the list. Congratulations to the Staffers. Happy birthday and happy anniversary to all, unless you're Risa Harvell. We do that, Risa, because we love you. And I can't wait for 2024 to come back around. I'm going to make a day out of her birthday when it does hit. That's where you can send them into, birthdays at KOAMTV.com. You can also go to our website at KOAMNewsNow.com. Now here's Tanya Bach with a very important birthday announcement.
I'm really curious what she's doing to celebrate, not celebrate her birthday this year. All right, you can be a part of the KOAM Birthday Club. All you have to do is go to our website and sign up. And once you do, you'll get special deals from local businesses. Go to KOAMNewsNow.com and sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club today.